Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have Ipsy and Boxy charm unboxings, and in my videos I do Ipsy and Boxy charm cruelty free products, and Boxy charm is really the same across the board for everybody, but Ipsy is very different. So you know, to each their own, but I like to do it just for research purposes for everybody else and or for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Boxy charm today because I feel like I haven't started with Boxy charm in a long time and I wanted to start with it today. So we have the note card in here, and looks like we have some pretty good stuff in here, so let's go ahead and just get started. I'm not really sure how to say the brand name, so I'm not really going to try to butcher it, but it's a lip crayon and it looks pretty cool. But before I use it, I'm going to double check to see if this brand is cruelty free or not. But the lid is really cool. It's like magnetic, really cool. So we will set that aside because I'm not sure about that. Then the next thing we have in here is by Pharmacy Clean Be Gentle Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser, which I'm excited to get this because I do need a face cleanser, and I'm not sure about the cruelty free status of this company either. So we will double check on this one as well, but I believe that they are, but it just looks like honey. It really does say Clean Bee, so I'm excited for that. You can never have too many face cleansers, can we? Then we have No More Pores Primer from Touch and Soul, and also I'm not quite sure about this either being cruelty free, but I'm going to pump it out anyways. It looks nice, a nice primer, but it's nice like glass packaging, and I'm excited to try it if I can. I'm starting to collect things for like donation. All products that's never been used are open to collect to donate to a shelter, and so far the stuff that I'm not going to use, sometimes it is cruelty free, sometimes it's not. It's just stuff that I've already have like too many things like face masks. I get a lot of face masks and I just donate those a lot because I don't need 400 face masks sometimes. That's an exaggeration by far, but I just don't. So the next thing is a full-size Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I will not open this right now because I still have some mascaras I need to use up before I open this, but I'm super excited about this. That's so cool. Too Faced is cruelty free, so that is really awesome to get this full-size mascara. And then lastly, there's kind of something in here that's like wrapped up. Oh, Pretty Vulgar. Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, which is quite pretty. And I like Pretty Vulgar products. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's like a golden product. I might pass this along because I just got a highlighter, and you might have saw it in my last video, that was like this, so that's really cool. So that was Boxy charm. We had got quite a bit of things. The lip glaze was $25, the Pharmacy thing was $22, Touch and Soul $18, mascara is $24, and Pretty Vulgar is $32. Now we will open Ipsy. Nothing is in the package, and ooh, Ipsy is sending some stuff in their card, so I'm not really sure if it's like the stuff that's in my bag, but there's stuff on the card, and the bag is lips, perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, so let's just jump in. We have a Luxie eyeshadow brush. Ooh, and it's a real tiny one, so that's good. Luxie is cruelty free, we know that. And we have Huda Beauty lip liner. Huh. That's cool. I don't have any Huda Beauty stuff, so yeah, it's just a nice little like kind of very toned color. So that is, Huda is cruelty free. That's cool. Then we have a concealer from, what's on here? From Koki Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Light. I think we can actually use this. This is a full-size concealer, guys. Ooh, this is light enough for me. That's really cool. Koki. Then we have in here a lip treatment, Peach Pink Lay, I think. Hannah Lay. That's what it looks like, Hannah Lay lip treatment. And then a Pixie Glow Tonic exfoliant toner. So that's cool. So everything, I believe, except for this in box charm in Ipsy was this. I'm not sure that is cruelty free. So let's go ahead and we need to double check on the pharmacy. We need to double check on this primer and this lip product. So I will be right back, and then we will recap everything that we got. All right, for a recap, I'm just gonna go through all the products that we got, and we can talk about what is and what isn't. So Pretty Vulgar is cruelty free. Too Faced is cruelty free. Huda, Kiko, and Luxie are cruelty free. And the Pharmacy is cruelty free. The Touch and Soul is cruelty free, and Pixie is cruelty free. But wah wah wah, this lip product is not cruelty free. So we are tossing him for a friend to take care of. And that was really a great, I think we did really great this month. We got a full-size mascara, full-size primer, a full-size concealer, a full-size lip liner. We did awesome. So I am really impressed with this month, and I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you, if you like checking these videos out, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!